Finding the right fence and layout is not an easy task, and we get that. Here at WamBam, our expert project consulting team is more than happy to walk with you through the entire WamBam process, either over the phone, through email, or in person here locally in Charlotte, North Carolina. Here is a quick introduction to our superstar team.
Hi, my name is Jason Duffy. I manage the project consulting department here at WamBam Fence and Niche Brands. My interesting fact is I worked for over a decade in New York City prior to moving here to North Carolina.
Hi, my name's Christy Webster. Let's see, a fun fact about me, I love to travel. I've been lucky enough to visit almost all of the continents. I have 3 left to go and only 1 state left in the United States. Hawaii, here I come.
Hi, my name is Robert Woodard. Fun fact about me is I'm a musician. I play electric guitar, and the talent show that we had for our company earlier this year I actually won.
To get started, just go to our website. Scroll down and click Request a Free Quote. Then, fill out the required fields. If you're unsure about the style of fence or cap you want, give us a call and we can figure it out together. Finish by attaching a simple sketch of the project you want to embark on, along with accurate measurements, so we can give you a proper quote. When we receive your request, one of our project consultants will reach out via email or phone call. They'll answer any questions about your project or our product. This process may take a couple back and forth conversations. Once the order is finalized, we'll organize a delivery method and inform you of your estimated time of arrival. If any questions arise while building your fence, please feel free to reach out to us. Just remember, WamBam is a fun name, serious fence.